My name is Juwan Jones. I've been here 1 year and I'm a quality inspector in the military program. Before this, I was a director at a special needs school. I came to SRC with looking for leadership. I was at a point where I just kind of reached like a ceiling and I didn't feel like I had the right leadership. And so when I hit a ceiling point, I typically was like, hey, I gotta go find elsewhere. And this opportunity kind of just stumbled in front of me. Honestly, the team and the people I'm around, not many people are in bad moods. I'm happy and I'm always available to my team. I'm someone that I try to come in early, leave late, and try to get the projects finished. And within this environment, that is a large change because when I do clock out, I clock out. If they need me for work, they have questions, I'm available. But for the most part, we're able to support each other and say, hey, when you're off, you're off. I can support you, I can figure this out. SRC is an environment that no one I've come across has made you feel small or little for not knowing something. I think some of my successes, I'm just curious about what we do and what people do and what people that are passionate about what they do and how they do it. So every time I've come and asked that question to someone that is skilled in their labor, they're down to share the knowledge. So I don't need to know everything, I just gotta be willing to learn and give them that same respect. And you gotta work with a lot of different people and different processes and people that are passionate about what they do. Some of the tradesmen and women on the team, they're passionate. They've been doing this for 30 years, longer than I've been breathing. And working in quality has helped me kind of bloom and kind of apply it to where everyone around me, my key is just making everyone around me successful. Ultimately everyone's here to help everyone succeed. And working with this environment, man, oh man, I enjoy my day to day. I'm glad I switched to Super.